Besinelanga elikhulu sibungaza ilanga lethu lokufunda i-World Read Aloud Day. Libe nempumelelo enkulu kakhulu ngoba sithe siqala nje bekukhona umsakazo weKwekwezi FM. Abazali banele ukuzwa ukuthi umsakazo usakaza usekhonza kahle primary school beze ngobuningi. Nabo bakujabulela futhi ukuthi bafundela abantwana. Ukufunda kwethu izolo sifunda nabantwana sukela ka grade 1 till ka grade 7 no principal naye wafunda. Kube nomthelela omkhulu kakhulu ngoba izingane bezijabule kakhulu. Ukufunda kwethu kuyazisiza kakhulu izingane ukuthi zikhuthalele ukuya e-library zifunde zizokwazi ukubhala.
It was a beautiful thing given the fact that they are promoting reading, and for the fact that our kids across all the ages, reading is still a thing that still needs to be promoted. So we were blessed to have them, and our kids enjoyed reading. I enjoyed reading because I was the first one to read.
Ukufunda kwethu kusikhuthaza ukuthi kwenza ukuthi abantwana bakwazi futhi ukuthi imiphumela yabo nakuphela unyaka iba mihle kakhulu ngoba sithi nase ku checkwa ama results onyaka wonke ukuthi abantwana emabangeni aphezulu kukhona abantwana abangakwazi ukufunda nokubhala. Kodwa njengoba sibamba la eqaleni sisaqala bo foundation phase siya na intermediate phase ku senior phase bafika ema high school sebakwazi ukufunda.
As much as we promote reading, but sometimes we struggle as to where do we get the reading materials. But with Nalibali, you have stories of all languages readily available. You just download, and I wish Nalibali people can bring our noodle because my kids want noodle. But in all, we appreciate it, and thank you very much. May God bless.